Let's have a look. So here, now we're going to expand them. So a noun phrase usually has an adjective and an article with the noun, but now we've got some extra information. So if we have a look at this, we've got a cat, an orange and white cat, but then we've got the orange and white cat with black paws. Now the an has changed to a the because we're talking about a specific cat. So if we have a look at the picture, we've got lots of cats. But specifically, the cat I'm talking about here is the cat at the bottom, which has black paws. Okay, so it's not one of the three at the top because the three at the top do not have black paws. The one at the bottom has black paws. So now it's changed from an to a the because we're talking about a specific cat. The orange and white cat with black paws. This is now an expanded noun phrase. Okay, because we had our noun phrase, the orange and white cat, and we've added extra information, which has expanded the description. Okay, so it's an expanded noun phrase. Let's have a look at another example. So when you get to year 5, children focus more on expanded noun phrases, and they need to be able to create these. Now, they do that by adding in their articles, their adjectives, and their nouns to create noun phrases and the extra information. So here, kitten, the adorable kitten, noun phrase, the adorable tabby kitten with white paws. Okay, can you see how the noun phrase has been expanded? Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I have been a teacher for 30 years now, and I also tutor children for their SATS, the 11 plus, and their foundation GCSEs in English and maths. If you'd actually like to join my parent teacher Facebook group, support group, then I can answer them for you in there. The details are in the description below. I also have a free parent teacher magazine, which can be delivered straight into your inbox to support you again. And again, the details are in the description.